Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be doing the slow motion test in the Poco X3 device using this small lighter here, as you can see here. So this is just a small quick slow motion test in the Poco X3 device using the 960 fps. So let's see friends, by lighting up this lighter, let's see whether this can actually record the slow motion of the flame coming upside. So this is another slow motion test which I'll be doing in most of my videos using this lighter alone. So try to check the links in description for more details regarding the Poco X3 smartphone. In case if you want to buy this phone, so try to follow the playlist of the Poco X3. So you can find plenty of other videos related to the live wallpaper and what application I'm using for the bottom as well. So let's get started. And first you need to go to the camera application and go to the more and try to select the slow motion. So as soon as you select the slow motion, you do get this kind of by default option will be enabled 720. So change to the 960 fps, as you can see. So now it's recording at the 960 fps, and now let me try to capture this shot of the lighter in the slow motion. So let's see whether this can actually record in the slow motion or not. So right now I've taken a few of the slow motion shots using this lighter in the Poco X3 device. So now let me try to play this video. As you can see friends, how amazing it looks. So I kept the background completely black and little bit of lighting condition only, so at least you can see that kind of flame coming through. Let me try to play the video again. As you can see here, so which looks pretty good, the overall output of this Poco X3 device. So there is another video which I've taken close to 20 to 30 shots to make this happen exactly. As you can see friends, and in the options you do have this kind of music or speed as well. You can decrease the very slow motion as well. So there's an option for that one. If you want, you can change that. So let me play the video again. It's playing very slow, as you can see there friends. It's pretty good. So it is the other shot which I have taken here in front of lighting conditions. You can see. So overall the slow motion shot in the Poco X3 looks pretty good without any issues. So under the proper lighting condition, you will get definitely one of the best slow motion shots in the Poco X3 device, as you can see friends, which looks pretty good. So for more interesting videos on the Poco X3 smartphone, make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned regularly for more updates on the smartphone, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.